What's good, YouTube? What's good? What's good? What's good? This your boy Beezy, and I was just trying to update y'all on what's going on with the 94 Ford Escort. The 94 Ford Escort is getting a whole new makeover. I haven't had the bumper on because I've been reconstructing the bumper, making me a nice little body kit for it. And you know what I mean? I was out here trying to finish, and look at this Georgia weather. It started raining on us, so you know I won't be able to finish today. But I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of what's to come and me finishing it. So yeah, guys, that's the work in progress on what's going on now. When I get finished with it, it's gonna look hella good. As you see, I got one side carved out for the fog light, and I'm gonna carve out the other side. I might just do it in the garage since I got everything fit right on it. But let me know, guys, in the comment section what you think about this build. What do you guys want to see next on this build? All right, I'm definitely going to finish this body kit that I'm doing. Spoiler, whatever you want to call it. Most people call it spoilers. I call it a body kit. I'm going to definitely finish. Probably going to get me a diffuser up under here. Yeah, so you guys stay tuned. Getting a new hood probably this week coming up. Found one at the pull apart, so I'm gonna get me a new hood from the pull apart, and hopefully it's in mint condition. After I get one from the pull apart, then we're gonna slap that bad boy on, and we're gonna start the sanding and taking these dents out process. And then after we start the sanding and all that process, I might not do the bundle on for the dents, but it might happen, it might not. I do know what's going to happen. This little ugly dent that's sitting here, yeah, that's getting out of there. But for the most part, it's coming together. This build is coming together. Don't worry about the motor. The motor is gonna be next. Probably gonna do a whole wire tuck on it. Yeah. I don't think I'm gonna take this motor out. Not just yet, anyways. When I got the car, the lady that I bought the car from, this was a new motor. Barely had any miles on it, so for a 94, yeah, the miles on here is wonderful. So I gotta change the valve cover gasket because I took it off and now it done started leaking oil on it. So I changed that, and after I changed the valve cover gasket, I should be straight with the motor wise. I mean, she run pretty good, sounds pretty good. I gotta take it to maybe Rainbow Muffler. What do you guys think I should take it? Some people say Rainbow Muffler messed up their car and whoop, and I don't know. I don't know where to take it. I just know Rainbow Muffler. So if any one of you guys know a good muffler shop, let me know in the comment section about the muffler. Yeah, and so basically that's it for this video, guys. Just wanted to show y'all an update on what we got going on the 94 Escort. I never thought about putting the Escort together, but I got it. Might as well. I was actually gonna get me another Honda, but I got an Escort, so it was a family car, and so my family got a little bigger, so I had to go get that van. Had to go get the 01 Odyssey. So, I mean, I'm happy with it. I think my kids got much room in it. So, alright, guys. I guess that'll be it. One more, look around here. And also, guys, this is a 5-speed. Just in case, people want to know what it is. It is a 5-speed. It's not an auto. And that concludes this video, guys. Stay tuned to my next video. I should be almost done with this body kit. And y'all be safe out there. Make sure y'all comment and subscribe. Make sure y'all like the video. And if you don't like the video, I understand. You can put your thumbs down or thumbs up. It don't matter to me. That's it for this video, guys. And y'all have a blessed one out there. Y'all be safe and keep on doing what you love. Alright, we out.